This is Prateek. 2024. Mic check. Let's do it. So talking about bars, I'm running 28 wide salt bars. BSD Chromoly frame 20.75. Raw look. Looks superb. Ultra light bike. Talking about next is Chromoly 4130 BSD fork. And street fork I'm running a Providal seat. And then I'm coming cranks, salt chain, salt cranks 170 mm. One of the addition to our shop is definitely these hubs, Profile Mini and salt stem, salt crank, salt sprocket 28 teeth, alone pedals, one of the hardest with pins, Empire double wall rim GLH animal tire, sealed Profile Mini, one of the best product we have right now in the market, and we are using it right